Oh, what an unboxing. Now, why would I open it even that way? Okay. All right, here we go. Got it open. Hi, everyone. This is Erin from Sandpaper Road. And today I'm sharing an unboxing of Creative Team products that I received just now from Craft O'Clock, Poland. And so excited to share them with you. The unboxing is literally happening before my eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. What's this? Turquoise mood. Oh, look at the turquoise. Oh my gosh. This is the 6x6. Wow, look at all that. Look at the, oh my goodness. Oh boy. Okay, that just flew out with the packing paper, so I couldn't resist. All right, let's see. Let's see what's coming. Let's see what's coming. Seems like a seems like a little box this time. It's okay. Let's turn it around. Turquoise mood, 6x6, and white beige mood. I love these mood papers that they've come out with. It's like monochromatic sets. It's so nice when you're scrapbooking because they go with everything. They go with everything. Okay. All righty. What do we have here? Oh, new chipboard die cuts. Cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, boy. Wonderful. Oh, my gosh. This is it. This right here. Oh, my goodness. Force of Gentleness. I cannot stand it. I cannot stand it. Look at that. Look at the yellow and gray. And there's like dancers. Oh my gosh. This is the 8x8. Look, there's music. I want to open it. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see what we've got. What's on the back? Oh my, look at the, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I just want to put this on my wall. I just want to put that on my wall. Just the paper. Oh my gosh. What's, look at the dancers. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm glad I opened this 8x8. Look at, oh my gosh, look at the music. And then the ballerina on, oh. Well, it could be a contemporary dancer, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my. Oh goodness. I just need a moment. That paper is so pretty. I'm thinking of all the things I'm going to make with it. Oh. sometimes I think when you think of a thing, like paper inspires you so much that it sounds stupid, but it almost puts you in a block, because every time you look at the paper, you think of everything all at once. I say you, but it's really me. Like, that's what happens to me sometimes, is I think of 1,000 projects I could make with it. And then I get not stuck, but it's like I get stuck because that's all I can think about is everything. Okay, we've got the white and beige mood in the 8x8 and the turquoise mood in the 8x8. That is lovely. 18 sheets. You know what I really love is that all of the, do they all? Oh, the white one maybe doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. I was going to say, I think almost all of them, if not all of them so far, have come with a wood pattern. Oh, that's just beautiful. That's just beautiful. Look at that turquoise. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Chipboard die cuts for the Sweetsters. Look at this. Now I need to make a, oh my gosh. I need to make a mini album. I need to make a decoration. I need to make a this. I need to make a that. I could totally see it in my mind. I know exactly what I'm going to do. Exactly what I'm going to do. Oh my gosh. How cute. This collection, the Sweetsters is not a new collection, but the chipboard is new to go with the collection. And doesn't it remind you, do you remember that book Where the Wild Things Are? It reminds me of that sort of a feel of just little kid, toddler, like toddler feel. I love it. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Memories, awesome, believe, art. Oh, that's for sure. Look at that. Oh, look. This is just breathtaking. This is just breathtaking. These chipboard die cuts. Wow. Age of Technology chipboard die cuts. Thank goodness. Oh my. This is such a great collection. Again, like the Sweetsters, this Age of Technology is not a new collection, but the chipboard is new to go with the collection. So that's great. Oh my goodness. So nice. Another card, chipboard die cut. Wait, is this the same but just different? Oh no, it's different. These are the same. I see. Quotes 4 and 5 are the same, but one is like a sepia tone and the other one is white. And this one is different. Wow. I love these. I love the chipboard. And I like their quotes. It's really nice. Yeah, really great. Oh my goodness. Force of Gentleness in the 6x6. I'm not going to open this up, but I do know that it will have, it shows you on the cover, it's going to have like tags and stuff on the back of the packaging. Wow. Yeah, really nice. 24 sheets. Goodness. Yeah, that's a lot. Junk journal extras. Oh my gosh. And the Force of Gentleness. Oh my. Look at the horse. Whew. Tickets. Oh, I can't wait to get into this stuff. I'm going to have to start cutting immediately. Let's see. These are the extras. I already know. And oh my gosh. The 12x12 with tags on the back. Force of Gentleness. And white, beige mood, and turquoise mood. That is just amazing. Now, let me get into this here. Let's see the extras. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I like how they have mirror images. Oh, wow. The dancers, though. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I just can't stand it. It's beautiful. I like the smell of the new paper. This is going to be beautiful to cut. So fun to cut and create with. I'm going to have to start immediately. What do we have next? Oh my gosh, the extras to cut flowers. Wow. I wonder why they did it like that. Huh. What would be the benefit of maybe so you could see it better? Why would they print it on that big paper except for just printing it that way? Oh, maybe because of those cutters. I have seen some people who have the Brother scan and cut machine, and it does work on these things. So maybe that's why they did it this way. To make a more clear outline. I was gonna say, what's the benefit of printing it in yellow, or a beige, and can you see that? It's like a subtle beige and then with a white outline. And I thought, well, what would be their benefit, and why wouldn't they just print it in white? But maybe this creates a more distinct outline if you're using a machine. I need to get myself a machine. But cutting it is so fun too. Oh, look at the pretty leaves. Beautiful leaves. Yeah, some people don't like to fussy cut. I mean, just looking at this, some people might think it's just too tedious. I actually don't mind. I find it relaxing. And, but again, I have seen people use the scan and cut machines, and it does work. I mean, I literally have seen it. Some of my Polish friends will put it on their Facebook that they got the new machine, and they show the machine cutting out the stuff. So, and here is the decorative cards. Oh my. Oh my goodness. With that on the back. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to create with these projects or with these products. Yeah, this is a very, very, very exciting, super exciting day. So big news. I am going to tell you that there are a few surprises in this box for me, namely these two chipboards. Did not know about these, so super excited about the chipboards. But what you will eventually, these will be available at the Sandpaper Road Shop as well. And let's see, eventually these quotes as well. But as of right now, they are not. But at the time that you view this unboxing, you are able to click immediately right now on the link. I will put it right up here, and you can go to the Sandpaper Road Shop. This is the USA shop, and you can pick up the Turquoise Smooth. Now in the USA shop, I carry the 8x8 and the 12x12 sizes of the Turquoise Mood, and I carry the white mood, white beige mood, the 8x8 and the 12x12, and also the Force of Gentleness. Yes, I do. And in the Force of Gentleness, all sizes. Okay, that's the 8x8, the 12x12, and the 6x6, and also all of the coordinating extras for Force of Gentleness as well. So again, you can click on the shop button at the end of the video, or you can click up here, and this is in the USA. I do ship outside of the USA, but international shipping is quite expensive, as you know. So you might just want to check and see what it's going to be, you know, in relation to where you live. All these are available right now at Sandpaper Road at the shop. And I can't wait for you to see what I create with these papers. Oh my goodness. I just can't wait. I can't wait. Now, when you might be thinking, when will I get these other things in the shop? That will probably be, I I can't even know when you're watching this or when. So what I'm going to do is say check in the shop based on when you're watching this and just see if they're in, because it will be soon. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.